Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Venu's Creative Writings Vlog. In today's video, I would like to share an interesting topic that is the best and easiest ways to learn English language. But before that, if you are serious about learning English, make sure that hit the like button and be sure to subscribe this channel because that will tells me to make more videos about learning English and also about my creative writings. Guys, language is not invented by anyone. It is a tool that we few people use to communicate with each other. We make a lot of mistakes while talking English, but never worry about it. If you want to learn English, you should always be confident that you can speak English fluently. Now let's see the tips to learn English language through my experience. Tips number 1. Confidence. Don't be afraid to make mistakes while talking English. Never think about what others will think. You never get what you want when you think about what others will think. Don't give up. Stay positive. Sometimes you will feel that you are not learning quickly enough. Everyone feels like this. Don't worry about it. You will get there in the end. Tips number 2. Thinking. Think in English to improve your fluency. Talk to yourself. Don't translate into English from your own language. Review of the past. Make sure that you take the time to review the things you have studied in the past. Make sure everything you do in your English studies brings you closer to your goal. Tips number 3. Study plan. Make yourself a routine or study plan. Decide how much time a week you are going to spend studying and stick to it. Tell your parents and siblings about your study plan. Get them to push you to study and also don't let them interrupt you. And also tries to improve your vocabulary and grammar. Tips number 4. Improve your 4 skills. That is listening, speaking, reading and writing. The process of listening what you heard and understanding. Listening requires an effort. It is an active process. There are 4 methods that enhance one's listening. There are preparation, controlling distractions, withholding, evaluation, and taking notes. Now let's see the tips to learn English by listening. Concentrate on other people while they are speaking. Note the other person's body language. Respond to what the other person says. Attending lectures on complex themes. Watching documentaries and sports commentaries. If your goal is to talk with native speakers about films, watch English films. It will also improve your listening skills. Make the use of internet. It's full of resources to help you learn. Ask your helpful teacher if you can record his lesson. This is the great way to review. You can also listen to your teacher's speaking speeds and intonation. The best way to learn English is through speaking. Surround yourself in English. Put yourself in an all-English speaking environment where you can learn passively. Use English whenever you can. It's as simple as that. The most natural way to learn grammar is through talking. Sing your heart out. Show the world your beautiful voice. Learn English songs and sing along with them to improve your pronunciation, fluency, and intonation. Tries to sing through karaoke. Sometimes nobody likes to hear their own voice, but be brave and try it. Record your voice and listen to your pronunciation and intonation. It will help to identify your problem areas. Speak in front of the mirror. You can feel comfortable and speaking publicly in confidence. Learn English by reading skills. It's helpful to examine the way you approach your reading skills and decide whether or not you are efficient. If you are prepared to practice, then you should be able to train yourself to read faster and to improve your concentration and level of comprehension. Now here, the steps to reading for understanding. Identify the thesis, state and topic sentences. Identify key words and phrases. Look up new vocabulary. Trace the organizations. Examine the order in which points are presented. Identify the support for the thesis like examples, illustrations, arguments, etc. Improve your language skills by writing. Good writing skills are essential for effective communication. Learning to write well takes time and practice. Be sure to leave yourself enough time for all of these steps. Many people are intimidated by writing. Even so, there are times when writing is the best way to communicate. Some of the most basic tips to remember when writing include the following. Avoid the use of slang words. Try not to use abbreviations. Brackets are used to play down words or phrases. Dashes are generally used for emphasis. Great care should always be taken to spell the names of people and companies correctly. Keep sentences short. Become a better researcher. Write for an audience. Have your work critiqued. Learn to edit your own work.